on Alan's car right now. I just finished off his headlights. One of his LED strips went out, and then I went and looked on the other side, and then the other LED strip went out. So I had to replace this one. So I just finished replacing them. Now I'm gonna put the bumper back on. He also has the light up grill also. That's where the LED strip sits. It sits here behind the bumper. You can just sit it behind the bumper. Even with the bumper on, you could still just strap it down here. It is double-sided tape on the back, and you just run it to the Bluetooth controller, and then just plug it into the controller, into one of the ports on the controller, which is super simple. This is the Bluetooth controller right here. You just plug it into the Bluetooth controller, and that's it. And you can control it. As long as you have the Bluetooth controller connected, I mean wired up already, which I already have it done on this car because it has the halo rings and the demon eyes and all that. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, and he also has a transmission cooler also installed on his car that he installed here at my house or whatever, and it's working great. Transmission shifts great. Yeah, so this is the light that sits behind the bumper. So what that does is that it lights up behind the grill at night when you start it, and you can change the colors from your cell phone. So you can also change the colors from the halo rings, and then the demon eyes is behind the projector also. And then the grill, he can always change the color of this too. It comes with 2 strips instead of 1, but we only installed 1 because the 2 was really, really bright. But if you like it really, really bright where it shines under the car also a little in the front at night, then yeah, you could just add 2 because there's 2 connectors on the Bluetooth controller. Okay, yeah, and that's about it. That's about it. So now I'm gonna put everything back. This is what it looks like taken apart still. And then he has the Inspire fog lights also, which I installed, which are these, and they also have high-powered LEDs in them. So what I'm gonna do is finish up here, and then catch back the video for you guys, so you guys can see what it looks like once it's fully good, and then I'll play back the video for you guys. I mean, I'll show you guys exactly what everything looks like put together. All right, so the car is ready. Everything's good. Everything's put back together. The bumper's back on. This is the sequential. This new sequential LED strip. You got the halo rings and the demon eyes behind it. And the Inspire fog lights with LEDs. That was custom fitted. This we have for both sides. This is what it looks like for the front. This is it finished. Good to go. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and comment. All right.